Alright, so we are going to make some breakfast sandwiches. I'm going to have all the ingredients added below. You want to start by putting 18 eggs into a blender. Then you're going to put the milk of your choice. Honestly, I do not use a measuring cup. I just let the vibes tell me when to stop. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper for taste, not too much. And you're going to blend that up until it's frothy. And then you're going to make sure you have a cookie sheet already lined up with parchment paper and carefully pour the eggs in there and line another one so that you can put eggs or biscuits or whatever you want your sandwich on. I also added some green onions. I had the oven preheated at 350, so when it's ready, you're going to put it in. Carefully, carefully, carefully. Okay, so then once it's cooked, you're going to take it out and you're going to get a cutter. If you do not have like an egg cutter, you can literally just use a jar lid. And you're just going to go throughout the egg and see how many pieces you can get. I'm buttering the biscuits here because they're kind of crunchy. Normally I use parchment paper, but today we're using tin foil. And you're just going to assemble your egg sandwiches however you prefer. I'm doing cheese and eggs and an English muffin. And then you wrap it up and just continue. And I need to put these in the freezer. Honestly, I feel like they taste better once they've been like in the freezer for a day. And whenever you want them, you can have them and they're already wrapped up and ready to go. And then you have a beautiful, delicious, oh my goodness, so nutritious breakfast sandwich that you can have whenever. Enjoy.